So this is Pier 39, or the Fisherman's Wharf in downtown San Francisco. And out of all the piers that you want to go to, you definitely want to see this one. You can start at the very beginning and make your way down, but that will take a while. Or you can also take some public transportation. But this one is the most popular pier. And as you can see, there's Fisherman. A whole bunch of boats out there. And there's also definitely some things to do here for all the tourists out there. But this is Fisherman's Wharf or Pier 39. And this is the backside of the Fisherman's Wharf. More things here. And there's some restaurants, activities for families, food stalls, gift shops. Definitely a tourist spot, but still nice nonetheless. See here.
And 90-minute boat rides, beautiful bay cruises. Trips start at $20.
And here is the center of all the restaurants and touristy stuff. Right here. Oh, it's got all this stuff here. Yep. Wow, that's pretty cool. It's like a fair. There's a lot of shops here. So much stuff. It's like a mini fair or an outside mall.
Sorry, keep himself.
And so that is Pier 39. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.